Top 10 easy DIY snacks you can whip up at home. 1. Granola bars. Mix oats, honey, nuts, and dried fruit. Press into a pan and bake. Perfect for on the go. 2. Energy bites. Blend oats, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. Roll into balls and refrigerate. 3. Homemade popcorn. Pop kernels in a pan with a little oil, then sprinkle with your favorite seasoning like salt, cheese, or cinnamon. 4. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on toast. Top with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add extras like a fried egg or cherry tomatoes. 5. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey for a quick, healthy snack. 6. Veggie sticks with hummus. Slice carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Dip in homemade or store-bought hummus for a crunchy, satisfying snack. 7. Smoothie bowls. Blend your favorite fruits with yogurt or milk. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and fresh berries. 8. Pita chips with guacamole. Cut pita bread into triangles, brush with olive oil, and bake until crispy. Serve with homemade guacamole. 9. Apple nachos. Slice apples and arrange on a plate. Drizzle with peanut butter and sprinkle with granola, chocolate chips, or nuts. 10. Frozen yogurt bites. Spoon yogurt into ice cube trays, add fruit or granola, and freeze. Perfect for a cool, bite-sized treat.